We have covered anti-slip coatings. Now let's investigate integrated manufacture. We have talked about the cake tin earlier. Most cake tins have flat bottoms. Now imagine instead of having a flat bottom that it has hundreds or even thousands of tiny little holes. When the tray is extracted from the mould, then these holes turn into raised profiles. This is integrated manufacture. For the acrylic shower trays, they also now have a method of integrating anti-slip properties. One of the last operations at the acrylic sheet company is to send the sheet through a set of rollers, a bit like the Tom and Jerry cartoons where Tom will be sending Jerry through the mangle. It's the same kind of idea. It comes out flat as a pancake. The shower tray manufacturers have said that those rollers up to this point must be pristine because any imperfections in the roller will transfer to the acrylic sheet, which in turn will transfer to the shower tray, an unsellable product. They must be pristine. Up until now, that is. Some rollers now have an integrated design, meaning that the acrylic sheet passing through has this impression or design impregnated. Best way for me to describe it, it looks like an orange peel effect. Integrated manufacture has many advantages. The first is that it's a long-term solution. The anti-slip properties are with that shower tray for the life of the shower tray. Integrated manufacture can also be cleverly designed to be easily cleaned, can be designed to be comfortable underfoot, and of course, at the design stage, the real-world slip-resistant test can be modelled. Integrated manufacture is also a repeatable process. Every tray that comes out of that baking tin, the mould, will have the same properties. Likewise, so will all the trays made from the acrylic sheet that has passed through those special rollers. The only disadvantage for this type of manufacture when comparing to coatings is the cost difference. Integrated manufacture will be approximately twice the price of a standard shower tray that has an applied coating. Next, we will have a look at how slip-resistant properties are measured.